dating game. And here's the star of our show and your host, Jim Lang.
This is when it started. The commercialization of modern dating.
Thank you, and good
The
evening.
dating
You know,
game.
we're all as excited as we are delighted to be doing our first nighttime show here from Hollywood, which we have affectionately designated as the dating capital of the world. This is the program which brings together 3 eligible bachelors and 1 pretty girl, gives her a chance to question the gentleman and then choose her escort for the dream date of her life. Or we sometimes turn the tables, let a swinging young bachelor choose his date from 3 lovely young ladies. There's only one hitch. They never have the least idea who they're talking to. It's really very simple. We'll show you how we play
That's
the dating
important.
game.
So you
right
got to
after
remember this,
message.
ladies, that men, we fall in love through the eyes. You fall in love through the ears. So that's very important in this situation. Remember that. You fall in love through the eyes.
A representative 6-footer from Perryton, Texas. Bachelor number 1 attended college in New York City and works in Los Angeles as an executive for a major advertising agency. We'd like you to meet Bill Davis. A leading orthopedic surgeon and a clinical associate instructor at UCLA, Bachelor number 2 is also an avid sports enthusiast who enjoys skiing, tennis, and sailing. He's from Los Angeles, and his name, Dr. Charles Lane. And in the solo role he has so successfully created on television, Bachelor number 3 will be seen on motion picture screens this season in the full-length thriller, The Venetian Affair. A distinguished stage actor and member of the Hollywood community, we're delighted to welcome to the dating game the man from U.N.C.L.E., Robert Vaughn.
Okay. That's a nice crop. It looks like we have an executive, we have a doctor, and we have an actor.
Now, in order to keep
Now
our
we're
young
about to
lady
find
from
out who
hearing the
has
introductions
game.
of the gentleman I've just made, we've kept her secluded off stage wearing stereo earphones. May we introduce her to you right now. Born in Shreveport, Louisiana, she attended college at the University of Arkansas, where she won a long list of beauty titles, including first runner-up in the Miss America pageant and Queen of the Cotton Bowl. Among her ambitions, she liked to have an old English house stuffed with antiques and 5 or 6 children. May we welcome to the dating game, Karen Carlson. Karen,
So she's in the creation stage. She already has knowledge of what she wants. A big English house,
I think you know
5
how we play, but
kids,
just to
and a
make
man to
sure,
settle
there are
down with.
3 eligible
Creation
bachelors on the other
stage.
side of that partition, each one ready and eager to date you. All you have to do is select the one you think would be the most fun, all right? And you do it by your questions, of course. You cannot ask name, age, occupation, or income. Got it?
Name and
Everything else
age is
goes.
important in the
Let's
beginning,
have the gentleman
but
say hello to
occupation
you
and
first.
income
Number 1,
is
would you say
not.
hello to Karen,
You see,
please?
ladies, you
Hello,
fall
Karen.
in love
Number
through
2?
the ears,
Good evening,
so
Karen.
that has to
Number
be
3.
first.
Hi,
Everything
Karen.
else will come
Okay,
later.
there are 3 gentlemen over there. You sure you have some questions you'd like to ask? You ready to go? All right, then. If you'd have a seat right here, you may begin, and good luck.
Knowing I'm from the South, if I invited you over to my house for dinner, what would you expect in the way of Southern hospitality? Number 2? Number 2.
What I would get or what I would expect?
Oh, you're clever at what you would expect.
Southern fried chicken on a skewer.
Southern fried
Right,
chicken
all
on
right.
a skewer. Come on, man, you can do better
That's
than
real
that.
romantic. Number 1, what would you expect?
I would expect that you had been properly schooled in those delightful things and would do just whatever came naturally to you. And that would be enough for me.
Oh, and it wouldn't matter what came natural then.
That was a stupid
Hearing
answer.
your voice, I'm sure
Come on,
anything
man,
would
these
come
guys got no game.
Number 3, what would you expect?
I would expect you to be on the veranda in a ball gown with a mint julep by your side and music playing gently in the background.
Now that's how you spit
You
game.
ever seen a You ever seen a Southern mansion in Hollywood?
Yes, I have. Very often, as a matter of fact.
Oh, okay.
Welcome back to the dating game, and Karen is on the spot now. She's talked to the gentleman over there. You found out a few
Now
things about
let's
them,
see who
how
got
they feel
between
about
the
life in
ears.
certain areas, and I think you have a pretty good idea how they'd be on a date. So tell us, which one will you choose for your big date, Karen? Will it be bachelor number 1, bachelor number 2, or bachelor number 3? Which one have you decided on?
I think I'll take number 3.
Number 3. All right.
Of course,
Bachelor
number 3.
three.
He has the best game.
Lucky fellow. Any particular reason why you selected Bachelor number 3 over 1 and 2?
Oh, well, I'm just a plain, simple girl, and he said hi, which is a very
Instead of
plain,
good evening or
simple,
hello, he said hi.
polite,
Just a
very,
down-to-earth
Well,
kind
the
of guy,
reason
all right?
why, it's because of authenticity. You see, I mean, ladies, you know what it's like to have a guy that approaches you and there's authenticity behind it. He's being authentic. He's coming up to you and he's saying a simple thing like, hi, how you doing? My name is Kevin. I just wanted to let you know that I think you're beautiful. Is there any way that me and you can actually, get together one time and go have a coffee or go have something to eat? Simple, authentic. And you also know what it's like when someone is inauthentic. When they just roll up to you saying all kind of lines like, oh, what up, baby girl? Heaven must be missing an angel because you're right here. And I got to get you back to heaven. You want to come back to my place? Yeah, you know how that is. That's why it is. Because remember, she's in the creation stage. She's ready. She's ready to move on.
And now, let's meet our first panel of bachelors immediately. And here they are. Bachelor number 1 is a swinging representative from the world of show business who is a pop singer with a new release called L.A. Breakdown. He's done considerable traveling since he's an Army brat. His name is Richard Williams. Richard, welcome. Well, a broad-shouldered gentleman whose athletic prowess is only equaled by his versatility. Bachelor number 2 is one of America's most famous Olympic stars. He has won additional fame, of course, as a sports commentator and is now directing his talents towards acting, and he'll be leaving soon for Europe in a featured role in a new film called The Games. We're certain you'll recognize Rafer Johnson. Rafer? Good luck. And working on the production schedules for a company which manufactures seats for airplanes. That keeps Bachelor number 3 pretty busy during the week. And during his off-duty hours, he enjoys tennis, horseback riding, and as he says, just being me. Me being Michael Cook. Michael, good luck to you. And there are 3
And a businessman. So she has a musician, an athlete, and a businessman. Very nice.
Off stage in a soundproof room. I'd like to introduce her to you right now. She is a Gemini. She is also from Philadelphia and firmly addicted to dancing, spending money, and work. About the rest of her story, well, she says she'll be glad to tell you about it if you've got the time. Meanwhile, let's welcome Gina
Dancing,
Harding.
spending money, and work. Okay. I mean, I don't think she's looking to settle down like the
Bachelor
first
number
lady.
1.
But let's
Which
see.
one best describes you? Earth, air, water, or fire?
Earth.
Air, water, or fire?
Right. Well, I would say Earth, because I spend most of my time there. I enjoy it, and I don't like to fly too much, in planes.
Oh, okay. Bachelor number 2?
Well, I think a little bit of earth and some air because I do like to travel. I like to move. So a little bit of both, a little earth and a little air.
Okay. Bachelor number 3. If we were at the beach and a big bully came over and picked you up and carried you off into the sunset, what would you do?
Karate.
You do what? I didn't hear you.
Karate.
Oh, really? What about you, Bachelor number 1?
By then I would have taught you how to do karate too, so you could help me in case you got a hold of me before, I could do anything about it. Because you would be pretty good, I'm sure. From your voice, I can tell that you probably do anything you do very well.
You see? I mean, that was a ridiculous question that she asked him.
Bachelor
But he's
number
smooth
1.
with it. A little
Close
player.
your eyes
He's just,
and tell me
smooth.
where you're at.
Well, my head right now is tripping to your face. And I think I better stay right there. This is...
But how can he see her face? I mean, the host of the show told us that they don't see each other, you see? I think they actually do. I think they have to show the guys pictures of the ladies because they know we fall in love through the eyes. We got to see her. We got to.
Live?
Yep.
Okay.
Bachelor number 2.
Well, I've just heard Jim Lang say the two of you will spend a week in Spain.
Who? Oh.
You too.
Okay. That's great. Bachelor number 3. If you were a weather condition, what would I do on a day like you?
Well, you would probably try to cool me down a little bit and put a little water in. Probably take me out for a walk. No telling what all you might do. I'd probably give you plenty of chances because I'd probably be running real fast at all times and going, just waiting for you to turn me off or turn me on or whatever you want to do. Because from listening to your voice, I could tell that whatever you want to do, I'd probably go for it, maybe.
You see, once again, that's a ridiculous question. And once again, I mean, he's a freak, so he's handling it the way freaks do. Man, he's a player, you know.
Bachelor number 2. What if we got married and I insisted on separate honeymoons?
It's impossible. We can't do that. I mean, you know, that's why we get married.
You see, that's a serious answer.
number 3?
He's serious about
Well,
this.
separate honeymoons till we got where we were going, then we'd have to connect somewhere along the way.
Now,
Otherwise,
this
I'd
freak
ask for an
don't give a
annulment.
damn. This freak don't give a shit.
Bachelor number
He's like, girl, whenever you want to meet up and get it on, let's meet up and get it on.
Bachelor number 3, are you destined for greatness or madness?
Well, greatness by use of madness, I hope.
Bachelor number 1, what about you?
Well, I'm destined for madness right about now. I like to be mad
Oh,
a
cool.
lot.
Nah, that's a red
Bachelor
flag
number
right
2,
there.
if I were
That's
a
scary.
seed and you planted me, what would I be when I grew up?
Oh, I think you'd be a poppy.
The opium plant? Man, just say
Dating game,
sunflower
Gina.
or rose.
Now you must make a decision. The gentleman over there, we're quite quick of the word, and now we're going to find out which one impressed you the most. Was it bachelor number 1, bachelor number 2, or bachelor number 3? Gina, which one gets the date?
Yeah. Bachelor number
Come on. Come on.
1?
Number 1. All right.
You can't guess, girl. This is serious business. You can't be out there guessing. Look at the man. Even he's surprised.
All right, Gina, are you ready? No. Well, this is the moment. He is waiting, and I will tell you something about it. Your date, bachelor number 1, is a singer, a recording artist who has a hit right now called L.A. Breakdown. He's done considerable traveling. He was raised as an Army brat. His name, Richard Williams. Richard, come on and say hello, please, to Gina. Well, congratulations, Richard. I'll tell you what, Richard and Gina, beads are in the fashion forefront
look at
these
him.
days, but they stem from many an ancient
Yeah.
time and
Oh,
an
yeah.
ancient
Through
land.
the eyes. Oh, you can tell. Look at how he's looking at her. Oh, yeah. He likes what he sees. And you're going to hear me say this again. Men fall in love through the eyes. Women fall in love through the ears. So he likes what he sees. Now, this is the beginning of modern dating or dating on game shows, which you can't really find love if you go on game shows for this. I mean, game shows are mostly about entertainment. It's mostly about promotion. You're not going to find it that way. It's not being built the correct way. If you really want to learn how to, find love and do things the right way, then I would really advise you to go ahead and do the homework. Complete the free workbook. It's very important because you have to know what your Enneagram number is. You also have to know how to heal yourself. You got to know how to heal yourself from past trauma, current trauma, and future trauma. You have to do that, and it's all in the workbook, okay? Because going forward, it's going to be very important for you to know this. In order for you to be able to solve all of your love problems for life, you first have to know your Enneagram number, and you got to know how to heal yourself, okay? All right. I'll see you next time.